I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Chev and I'm so happy to have you. In this video, I will be making a soup. If you had watched my very first video, you would have realized that I do have an upcoming fibroid removal surgery. And I just wanted to make a soup that is not only filled with nutrients, but also delicious and comforting to me. I love black beans so much that I decided to make a vegetarian black bean soup. I will not be using the canned beans, even though it is more convenient. I will, however, be using the dried black beans to make my soup. And also, instead of using a vegetable broth, I will be using the water that the beans were cooked in to make my soup. For this recipe, we will be cooking about 3 cups of our dried black beans. The amount of beans that you use depends on the amount of people that you're cooking for. We always want to ensure that our beans are properly washed. I always like to cook my black beans in a pressure cooker just to save on time. And to do so, add about 6 cups of water, along with a few cloves, garlic, and about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, along with your black beans. Ensure that the pressure pot is tightly secured and cook for about 20 minutes, or until the beans are easily crushed between your fingers. Now we need to create a base for our soup. To do so, chop 1 large red onion, 2 celery ribs, and about 3 medium carrots. Guys, if you are looking for a filling vegetarian soup, this black bean soup recipe is definitely for you. It is so flavorful. By this time, my beans were done cooking. So to cool the pot, I just place it under running cold water. Then in a large bowl, I separate my cooked beans from the water and set aside until later. After we have completed chopping all of our vegetables, in a large pot over medium to high heat, saute the onions, celery, and carrots until they start to soften for about 5 minutes. Then add the beans. Next, you want to mix a pack of coconut milk or coconut milk of your choice and add to our pot. Add all your dried spices to the pot, which includes salt, Maggi powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. The smoked paprika will give it a bit of a smoky flavor, which is great for the soup. I also like to add half of an jalapeno pepper poked with cloves and some fresh scallion. Here I'm just adding my green blended season. Guys, this step is optional. I just like to add it to almost anything that I'm cooking. I prefer my soup on more of the creamier side, so I blend a couple spoons of the soup, then pour it into the pot and repeat this process until I get the consistency that I like. After the soup is done, you can serve it warm in a bowl with some sliced avocados and cilantro. The leftover soup is also great for burrito bowls. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. And please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.